We cleaned this part like half an hour ago and it was looking really great. But now look what happened to it. It just covered in rust, it's fully dirty. Standard cleaning, basic part, nothing special. Just how metal works, that's it. But today we will figure out what to do with that. Wet blasting machine removes everything. Dirt, rust, carbon deposits, old paint, but it also opens up the surface. Bare metal, moisture, and then how it looks after. Aluminium protects itself, it has an oxide layer. But levers, tie rods, ball joints, they are all made of cast iron and steel. They just can't do it like aluminium. The only option is to paint immediately after cleaning, with an hour or even less. After, it's too late. But of course, there is a simpler way. The passivator gets drawn into the chamber along with the glass beads and it's working during the cleaning. While abrasive removes dirt, the passivator lays an ultra-thin film on the surface. No visible film, no impact on paint adhesion, and of course no loss in cleaning performance. Just add it and forget about it. We take two identical parts, equally dirty, and we will clean one as usual and one using the passivator. After cleaning, both parts look the same, clean and made. The passivator spoiled nothing, but let's just wait about 10 minutes and see what happens. The first one is already getting corroded, but the second one looks like it just came out the chamber. 1 hour passed, you can see the difference, literally no comments. The film is undetectable by touch and invisible to the eye. And of course you can paint right over it because adhesion is not lost. If you work in a paint shop, you used to have to finish within 1 hour or even less. Now you clean a batch of parts, calmly, no rush. Restorers will understand. You've cleaned a rare part, but you aren't ready for the next step. It was a problem before, but now you have some time to prepare. And also for the repair workshops, if client doesn't pick up the part or his car for a day or 2 days, it's not a problem, your part will be staying clean, no issues. The passivator is not a rust converter, not the final coating, it simply buys time. You just add it to the chamber with the glass beads and that's it, you change nothing else. If you have questions about compositions, rations or where to buy it, you just simply write down in the comments or click in the link in bio, we have our contacts there. And please let us know in the comments if you had the problems with the corrosion on your parts after cleaning. How did you deal with that before? Let us know. In the next video we will show you how Aquablast machine will clean the hardly baked on carbon deposits. So don't skip the next video, subscribe, leave a comment. Thank you for watching.